Do you know that Affinity also offers a whole preset of Pantone colors similar to Illustrator? So to access the Pantone colors, first of all, let's navigate to the swatch panel. And right here at the below, you can see all this list of Pantone colors that Affinity offers. Let's select any one Pantone colors for now. I'll go with this one. And now you can see whole bunch of Pantone colors that Affinity offers. So let me go ahead and select this text and apply any one Pantone colors to the text. I'll apply a color of sky blue. And this is the preset of Pantone colors that Affinity provides. And you can access whole bunch of Pantone colors right here. Now let me navigate to the document section. And in order to add this particular Pantone colors that we have just selected as a swatch, go to this icon and click to add this to palette. However, it is not being added because we have to select the text that has these Pantone colors applied, which is blue that we recently applied. So now let's go and click on this icon again, and now the blue Pantone color has been added as a set of our swatch. Let's go ahead and delete the previous color, which is green, by right clicking and clicking on delete fill. And let me go and select delete. Now the previous color is deleted that we mistakenly added as a swatch. So this is how you can access different presets of Pantone colors in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, press the like button, and to get more tips and tricks on Affinity, press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next video.